Hi, welcome back. I'm Tiffany, and you're listening to Reset Sessions with Tiffany. Well, here we are, midweek, and I'm so glad you've carved out these 5 minutes to come back to yourself. Sometimes we get so caught up in the doing that we forget the being, and that's exactly what we're here to reconnect with today. So now, create some space to check in with who you are beneath all the busyness. Find a comfortable position and allow yourself to truly settle in. This is your time. No emails, no tasks, no one else's needs, just you. Close your eyes or soften your gaze and take a moment to notice, how did you arrive here today? What energy are you carrying? There's no right or wrong answer, just gentle curiosity about your current state. I want you to take 3 slow, intentional breaths. With each inhale, let yourself arrive a little more fully in this moment. Breathe in presence. Breathe out rushing. Feel yourself landing here in this pause you've created for yourself. You don't have to be anywhere else or anyone else right now. Let's check in with the real you, the you that exists beneath all the roles and responsibilities you've been carrying this week so far. Place one hand on your heart and one on your belly. Feel the warmth of your own touch, the kindness in the simple gesture of self-connection. Ask yourself gently, how am I really doing? Not how you think you should be doing or how you appear to be doing, but how you actually feel in this moment. Maybe you're feeling proud of how you've handled challenges this week. Maybe you're feeling stretched thin. Maybe there's excitement about what's ahead, or maybe there's fatigue from what's already been. Whatever comes up, just acknowledge it with compassion. Now check in with what you've needed more of this week. Maybe it's been rest, maybe connection, maybe quiet moments like this one. Don't judge the need, just notice it with kindness. And what have you needed less of? Perhaps rushing, perhaps saying yes when you meant no, perhaps being so hard on yourself. Again, just gentle awareness without judgment. Feel how good it is to simply be seen by yourself, to have your real experience acknowledged and held with care. Now, from this place of honest self-connection, let's reset your energy for the rest of the week. Imagine that beneath all the week's activities, there's a steady, calm center that is purely you. It's been there all along, even when things felt chaotic or overwhelming. This center holds your wisdom, your values, your authentic way of being in the world. Breathe into the center now. Feel how stable and peaceful it is. This is who you are when you're not performing or proving or pushing. This is your true self, and it's beautiful. From this centered place, look at the rest of your week with fresh eyes. Thursday and Friday are waiting for you, but you don't have to approach them from depletion or disconnection. You can meet them from this grounded, self-connected place. What would it look like to move through the rest of your week staying connected to this center? Maybe it means taking micro pauses to breathe. Maybe it means honoring your needs as they come up. Maybe it means remembering that your worth isn't determined by your productivity. See yourself in tomorrow's activities, but now you're moving from this place of self-awareness and self-compassion. You're still engaged and present, but you're also anchored in your own truth. Notice how this changes everything, not what you're doing, but how you're being while you do it. Take a moment to appreciate yourself for taking this pause, for prioritizing this reconnection. This wasn't selfish, it was necessary. Keep your hands on your heart and belly and feel the aliveness there, the warmth, the steadiness. This connection doesn't have to end when you open your eyes. You can carry it with you. Set one gentle intention for how you want to stay connected to yourself for the rest of the week. Maybe it's, I pause when I need to pause, or I listen to what I really need, or simply, I remember who I am. Now take one final breath, breathing in this reconnection, breathing out any last bits of disconnection or overwhelm. When you're ready, gently open your eyes, carrying this sense of self-connection with you as you move back into your week. Not as someone who's lost in the busyness, but as someone who knows how to come home to themselves whenever they need to. My friend, you are reset, you are reconnected, and you are ready. Happy Wednesday.